Now we are going to learn one very important point of this chapter, that is parallel lines and a transversal. Now first of all, you are knowing parallel lines. Two lines which do not intersect each other are called parallel lines, and a transversal. What is transversal? Transversal is a line. So this is transversal, I am denoting by T. So transversal is a line which intersect two distinct lines in two distinct points. So such a line is called transversal. Now whenever transversal intersect two lines, there is a formation of 8 angles. You can see here, sorry, I am marked here with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So whenever transversal intersect two lines, parallel lines, then there is a formation of 8 angles. Now there are some special angles formed in such case. First is corresponding angles. Now what is corresponding angles? The angles which is above the line on the same side of transversal are called corresponding angles. Above the line on same side of transversal. So this is transversal, same side above. So 1 and 5 is above the line. Same way here 2 and 6 are above the line. 4 and 8 is below the line. 3 and 7 is below the line. So therefore, whenever line T is intersecting M and N, then there are 4 pairs of corresponding angles formed. That is angle, first pair, angle 1 and angle 5. Second pair, angle 2 and angle 6. Third pair, angle 4 and angle 8. And fourth pair is angle 3 and angle 7. These are corresponding angles. Now one more important thing. Corresponding angles are always congruent if lines are parallel. This will come in next session, that is in the form of theorems, that if lines are parallel, then corresponding angles are always equal. That means if M is parallel to N, then measurement of angle 1 is equal to angle 5, angle 2 is equal to angle 6, angle 4 is equal to angle 8, and angle 3 is equal to angle 7. Vice versa, if corresponding angles are equal, then lines are parallel. This also will come in the form of theorem. Now next is alternate interior angles. Alternate interior angles are the angles in the shape of Z. Now if you see here, it looks like Z. So 4 and 6 are the angles in shape of Z. So alternate interior angles are angle 4 and angle 6. Similar way, inverse Z if you see, 3 and 5. So angle 3 and angle 5 are also alternate interior angles. Once again, like corresponding angles, if lines are parallel, alternate angles are equal. And if alternate angles are equal, then lines are parallel. Now next is alternate exterior angles. Alternate exterior angles are the exterior angles outside. That means 1 and 7. And same way 2 and 8. So alternate exterior angles are angle 1 and angle 1 and 7. And angle another is 2 and 8. Now next is interior angles on the same side of transversal. See, from word only it is clear. Interior angles on the same side of transversal. Now if you see on the same side of transversal, there are 4 angles. 1, 4, 5 and 8. Out of that in the interior. So interior angles are 2, 4 and 5. So interior angles on the same side of transversal. So first pair is angle 4 and angle 5, and second pair similar way here on the same side of transversal there are 4 angles 2, 3, 6 and 7. So 3 and 6 are in the interior. So angle 3 and angle 6. Now one very important result of this, if lines are parallel then interior angles on the same side of transversal are supplementary. Supplementary means sum is 180. But what is the condition? Lines are parallel. So if M is parallel to N, then only angle 4 plus angle 5 is equal to 180. Angles are supplementary. Similar way, angle 3 plus angle C is equal to 180. Once again, if lines are parallel, then interior angles on same side of transversal are supplementary. So angle 4 plus angle 5 will be 180 and angle 3 plus angle 6 will be 180. This is very important. Please see this video minimum twice.